Hi everybody, it's Lovely with another Brightline eating vlog. I coming to you live from my home, and I just had like a little slip, and yeah, I really don't want to make this video, but it's occurring to me that I want to be as real as possible in documenting my process, and I also did these video series for me, to help me, remember the things I need to remember in the times that I'm having them. So what happened was I had made a plan for what I was going to eat when I got home, and I had to thaw something out. I had to thaw meat out, and the meat wasn't thawed. And it didn't seem like it was a good idea to try to thaw it quicker. So I was like, that's okay, I'll just have that for tomorrow, and I'll have a different dinner tonight. But, therein lies the substituting, right? So I was like, oh, I have some of the bean pasta. And that's sort of, it's very close to what Susan says is okay. It's made with chickpeas, though, instead of, I can't remember the one she approved of. But anyway, and I decided to make the whole box. Also problem. And was like, oh, I'll just save the other, the other portion, which really technically I think should have been, I think I should have had a quarter of it with a bunch of veggies. And instead I had said to myself, I'm going to have half the box with some vegetables. I made some mushrooms. Well, the half a box turned into 3/4 of a box, and I really wanted to finish the rest. And I was sitting there eating it while my daughter was sitting across from me, kind of not paying attention, and realizing I can just so break my lines right now in front of people. They don't know. Even my family doesn't know. And I was like, okay, you're not going to eat that last quarter of the box. Like, that's just not okay. Like, it wasn't okay that you ate that. You already started out with more than, you're supposed to have 2 ounces dried pasta with your stuff. So I stopped myself and said, I asked for help. I asked my daughter. I said, Griffin, I wasn't supposed to eat that much. And she looked at me like, and I was like, I need help to put this away, put the rest of this in a Tupperware to put away. And I said, because I need you to get the Tupperware for me, and I need you to watch me put it in and make sure I put it in. And she did, and it was helpful and humbling. So I'm resuming immediately, and but I just needed to I needed to own what I just did, and also remind myself that I need to prep ahead of time, and I need to figure out, and when I make a substitution, because every once in a while I'm going to have to, I have to be really, really careful about weighing and measuring so that I set myself up for success. So thanks for listening, and I'm lovely, and so are all of you. Have a good one.